Let us use the draft feature to create a draft on these surfaces. The draft feature is in the home tab. You can see this icon. Click on the icon, select the vector. I'm going to select the Z axis as the vector. You have to select the stationary face. This is the flat face from where the draft is going to be created. Selected the stationary face. Now we will go to the faces to draft. Select faces. We'll start by selecting this face, and as you can see, the draft is created. We will edit the angle. You can put it as 15 degree. I will place it as 5 degree. Click OK, and you can see that the draft has been created. I'm going to hide the sketch, and you can see how the draft has been created.